Hello everyone, my name is Elijah here at the American Journey Experience with my lead archivist, Devin Pipes. We just received a really cool artifact from American history. It is an original portrait of the 5th Chief Justice of the United States, Roger Taney. Now, Roger Taney was responsible for a lot of terrible Supreme Court rulings, one of them, the most preeminent, being the Dred Scott decision, where he ruled that enslaved persons were not citizens. That would fundamentally change American jurisprudence for many years until it was reversed by the 13th and 14th Amendments. And so with that, Devin, would you mind begin opening up the package and seeing what we got? Thank you, my friend. Sure, yeah. Incredible. So this is going to serve as an excellent addition to the American Journey Experience collection, and talking about, one, the life of Justice Roger Taney, as well as some of the decisions that he made that really served a critical component and a critical moment in the culture war that was happening in the United States at that point. So thank you guys so much for joining us for this artifact unboxing, and we hope to see you for the next one.